This segment is sponsored by the ECFO.
And it is time for us to talk Financially Fit Friday with Perry Jeffries III. And Perry is a financial advisor, and he takes a unique approach to helping his clients. Today, he wants to help the small business people out there. Maybe you value those people who develop small businesses yourself. Well, we know that Perry does. So Perry, we're talking entrepreneurship.
Absolutely. And I'm so happy we're having this conversation because I believe in this day and age, entrepreneurship is so important. When we look at, the 800,000 workers who went without paychecks because of the government shutdown, or the 400 workers who were recently laid off from Kroger, entrepreneurship allows for us to have an additional stream of income to protect ourselves in case of those layoffs and things of that nature.
I think it really brought to light that people do need almost a side hustle in some regard, because you get the rug pulled out from under you.
Just like that.
Yeah.
And what we do kind of with respects to that, and I'm so glad you said that, a lot of entrepreneurs have that side hustle, but we want to make sure that we change that side hustle to being a viable, profitable business.
Right.
So that's really what we do with the ECFO.
A lot of people they have trepidation though, starting their own business.
Yeah.
You hear the failure stories.
Yeah.
Why do you think so many businesses fail?
Absolutely. Recently saw some stats here that 70 to 80% of businesses fail within the first 10 years.
Wow.
And from my almost 20 years of being an entrepreneur as well as being a financial advisor and working with hundreds of entrepreneurs and small business owners, I find a common theme, and the theme isn't necessarily their product or their service. It's having the right systems and strategies set up on the back end as far as their finances. If I were to give a real quick example, if we were farming corn, for example, and understanding the difference between revenue and profit. So if we farmed all the corn and we consumed all of it, that business isn't profitable. Our farm isn't profitable. It's how we take that corn, we allocate some for selling, some for consuming, some for maybe even trading for other services. And I think that's a challenge that a lot of entrepreneurs deal with, is understanding the difference between revenue and profits.
Right. It's not just about something you're passionate about. You have to have a business behind it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So
Absolutely.
What kind of a program? I guess you said you do have one, though, to help businesses.
Absolutely. So through my experience of being an entrepreneur and as well as a financial advisor, we created a 60-day hands-on program to help entrepreneurs. We realized that entrepreneurs are passionate about their product or service, but also too, they're passionate about creating wealth through their business. So we've created a 15-point checklist that we take these clients through, and our results have been just absolutely phenomenal in helping these clients.
That's great. And you were sort of, in essence, a coach for them at that point.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Without a shadow of a doubt.
Well, that's great. And I think that's the problem. People jump in sometimes, and then before you know it, you're midstream, and you don't have a plan.
Absolutely.
So you're going to make it happen for them.
Yeah, having a plan is so huge. And also, too, having that coach.
Yeah, absolutely.
Super important.
Good stuff. Yeah. All right, Perry, let's tell people how to reach you.
Yeah, absolutely. So they can reach me at perryjeffries.com. You can go there and you'll be able to contact us, as well as have access to our 15-point checklist if you want to take a look at that.
It's all your way to be guided through this crazy world called small business, but I think Perry's got it down.
Absolutely.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.